Alright, so in this video we have two MacBook Pros. They are both 13-inch. This one is from 2015. This one is 2013. So the problem with this MacBook is, as you can see, it has a display damage that's going on the bottom. You can see some horizontal lines. If I just push this a little bit harder, you can see that it reflects on the display. Anyways, what I decided to do is, and by the way, the problem with this one is that I'm guessing that it has connectivity issues with the display, but when the display does display, it displays well when compared to this display. Now this one always displays, but you can see the damage. And in case if you didn't notice, there was the display just full covered with this damage. And again, the problem with this one is that when it's displayed, you can see no visible damage. But again, I'm guessing that it has connectivity issues. So what I decided to do is to take off this screen from this MacBook and move it to this one. And again, this is from 2013, this is from 2015. So I don't know if they are compatible. Not sure if their screens are compatible with the versions of the MacBook, but we'll see. I haven't read any article on the internet, but I won't be able to record the entire process, unfortunately. But if you stick at the end of the video, I'll show you what I come up with, and hopefully they are compatible. So stay subscribed, watch this video, and we'll see you at the end.